Remember, folks, always drink your water. But I got another one for you boys here. So I go to the beach in about 5 days. Okay, nothing crazy. But I'm taking this thing. And a lot of y'all are probably thinking, why the hell would you drive that thing when it's got 300,000 miles on it? And then I would look at you and say, you're exactly right. You know, but my rebuttal to that is, it's the memories, dude. You can't go wrong with having an old truck there. You never can, okay? I'm just leave it at that. You can never go wrong having the old truck there. Plus, this thing ain't missed a beach trip with me. Actually, that was a lie. I didn't take it last year, but it's not missing another. This is also like one last big go for this motor, because I'm gonna be putting that one over there, even though the camera didn't just slip over. I'm putting that one over there in it. I gotta rebuild that one, so it's not like it's gonna be that quick. But either way, what I'm trying to say is, I had a whole bunch of work ahead of me this weekend, and I've already done it. Hang on, hold that thought. Where was that? Oh yeah, so I had a whole bunch of work ahead of me this weekend. I had to replace my control arms, and I just planned on doing the lower control arms, but once I got there, I figured out that the uppers were worse than the lowers. And then one thing led to another. Now I got a whole new front end again, which is where the title of this video is going to come in. And this is why lifting your truck sucks. I literally done this like 2 years ago, and I didn't maintain them well enough, so now they're shot again. Plus they were shitty quality, so now here we are. I'm literally doing the same thing I've done once again, because I was cheap. The more you learn, you know. Let me go grab these other ones for you. I'm gonna show you one side of each. They busted. They're not. This one's not too bad. This one is the better of the two, but I mean the thing busted up. It made all types of noise. And then the lower control arms, I mean, this thing was shot. Oh well. You'll have that, you know. Plus my frame was all effed up again. So I went ahead and replaced that sucker too. Ignore this sofa. There's my koozie. That's badass. But we went ahead and painted the frame. I think it looks pretty good. Plus it's got the new control arms and stuff on there. I don't think I did too bad, but either way, it all kind of sucked. I had to do this all weekend. It didn't really take me all weekend. I just kind of fucked around for a couple hours, and we got her done. Now she's ready for the beach. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all guys watch me fix all this stuff, and then I'm gonna kind of elaborate at the end. Oh boys, after a long week, we got it done. Well, I mean, it was really just a weekend. It really didn't even take me that long. I just procrastinated a lot. I had it done Saturday night, and I didn't start working on it till like 3 o'clock Saturday. Oh well, we're here now, it's done. We got it all replaced. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry for the clickbait title. I just needed to get my views up, you know, to be honest. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next